Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Broken Signals। तो आज हम जिस टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं दैट इज़ ट्रेडिंग साइकोलॉजी। इट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट दैन एनी स्ट्रैटेजी और ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम दैट यू हैव बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डेवलप अ पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट वाइल ट्रेडिंग। सो आज हम कुछ पॉइंट्स पे बात करेंगे दैट विल मेक श्योर यू विन कंसिस्टेंटली एंड यू गेट द इमोशंस आउट ऑफ ट्रेड। तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं what is a trade. Trade is just a game of probability. Like whenever you pick and trade, and let's say you buy that stock, so there is a seller also. So buyer thinks the price is going to go higher, the seller believes the price is going to go lower, and only one of these persons can be right, and nobody knows who is going to be right, who is going to be wrong. So you may have a system, seller may have a system of his own. So always one of them is going to be right or wrong, and you never know. So train your mind in such a way that it's okay if it does not, the favor is not in your, the outcome is not in your favor. And also, like, let's say you have a system which gives you 100 trades over a period. You don't know which one is going to be right and wrong, but over that 100 trades you may find 50 right and 50 wrong. So trading and how to win consistently is all about making sure that those 50 winning trades give you a higher profit than the other 50 losing trades. So that leads us to our second point, which is define your risk. So before, this is like a very big mistake that beginners make. They go into a trade thinking, let's say they buy any stock, okay, they think that they are right, they try to anticipate, okay, this is going to go higher only, so okay, why do I need to put a stop loss there? It is going to go higher, I'm confident. So maybe 3 or 4 trades may work in your favor, but one trade would be such that it will not fall into your favor. Because markets can fall anytime, there could be any bad news and you will not get to know instantly, and that one trade would take all of your profits away if you have not put your stop loss. That is, how do you define your risk? I'll show you an example here. So let's say हम सीमन इंडिया पे ट्रेड करने वाले हैं. सो यहाँ पे अगर मैं देखूँ, सो इट्स लाइक लुकिंग एट जस्ट द चार्ट पैटर्न. इट इज़ नथिंग, अ वेरी सिंपल चार्ट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अगर मैं देखूँ तो इट हैज़ गिवन मी अ ब्रेकआउट अबव दिस विच इज़ 1960s का रेंज. It has traded above this for a couple of days. So this breakout may be true, or it may turn out to be false breakout as well. The price may go into this direction, or it may go above. So now let's say I take a trade on this stock on Monday, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a stop loss. Okay, let's say this is the breakout point 1966, but I'm gonna put a stop loss a little lower than this. Maybe like, let's say I'm comfortable here at around 1900 levels, so that this is basically, so this is the room that I'm giving to the market. Okay, it may fall this much, I'm fine with it, and then it may reverse, so I have to take this much of risk. Okay, but if it does not rebound from here or within this range, then my trade is not working basically, and I have to get out. So I get out at 1900. That's it, done. So now we come to a third point, which is losing is normal. So as I told you, trading is nothing but game of probability. So let's say you have 100 trades, only 50 are going to work in your favor. So on those 50 trades, probably there could be a time that you may be losing 5-6 trades in a row. So that is all fine, it happens. Don't worry about it. As long as you have defined your risk, you're not having catastrophic losses, so that losing is normal. It is part of the game. So as soon as you train your mind, you will be likely to be more successful. So next point is fear. Yes, this is that one thing which causes losses basically. This is basically the difference between your success and failure. So fear is this basic. So let's say we have taken this trade at 1966, okay, and okay, I have let's say I'm trading in futures. I have a capital of 1 lakh. So Siemens has, let's say, lot size of 500. So what is my risk? At every 1 rupee decrease in price, I'm losing 500 rupees. Okay. So now let's say we bought it around 2000 levels, and stock price falls to 1950. So that is like 50 rupees falls, 500 into 50. So I've lost 25,000. So let's say the stock price falls further 40 points. That is another 20,000 bucks. So we are already at a loss of 45,000 on a capital of 1 lakh. So now now you are like really afraid. Okay, I've lost almost half my capital. What I'm going to do? Can I really be in this trade? Okay, so probably you may get out at 1910 itself and would not wait for your stop loss, and then market may rebound for 1910 and it goes till 2200. So you had a winning trade, but you were fearful of losing, so you made a trading error. What was trading error here? Position sizing. You over leveraged. So okay, position sizing and money management we'll talk some other day, but for now I just wanted to show how the loss can cause you make trading errors, and then your winning trade could turn out to be a losing one. So don't fear what is going to happen in the market. Just look at it, what is happening right now, and try to take rational decisions. So since you have defined your risk, but don't over leverage, because that will kick you out of your successful trades as well. So let's say whatever 1 lakh capital you are having, so 1993, let's say you're trading just with 100 and probably 50 stocks. So that's like in cash basically. So you can bear that loss, right? So this is fear. So next is discipline. Discipline is just no matter what happens, I'm going to follow what my plan is. That's all. You look for trades, you define your risk, you put your stop loss. Okay, this much capital I can afford to lose on this trade. All right, fine. You look at the trade, it is working, it is not working. Don't get emotionally involved. It is not working, you just get out of that trade, and over you're going to repeat this strategy. If your system or strategy has an edge is basically it is giving you favorable outcome, then your discipline will lead you to win consistently. So follow whatever your strategy with a discipline. So I think that's all for today. We'll hopefully come with a new video very soon. Thank you for joining in and wish you a successful trading investing. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.